Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon all my colleagues and dear friend, my classmate. Uh, my name is Idriss Muhammad, matric number AE16001. So today we are trying to talk about the assignment 1 for our course vision system. So we are using the first task. So we are trying to use the technique how to solve complex problem, we consider about the vision system for the engineer. So the task is given like how to use this checkboard to take the photo. So we try to start it, and then we try to analyze it, and we take the photo from each angle and try to analyze using which one we try to analyze it for the which software, whether Matlab or Python. So for the introduction, so what is the camera calibration? The camera calibration is like the process of estimating the parameter of the camera for the length and the image screen. So the measure that to calculate the specific about the size of any object and determine the location of any camera distortion. So they have three function of mode functions. So they have to make the distortion, they make the efficiency and a striking, and make a several way to attract, and then to making the showing that the photo is like having different angle from different point from 2D to 3D in each time. This one are the definition about distraction and distortion. The parameter of necessary how to the length or the pixel coordinate of any image point with the corresponding coordinator in the camera before the frame, and also the transformation between the image plane coordinate and the pixel coordinate. Also about the rejection error. The reprogression error it shows the exact the error inside the photo about the image, how it's precise from the each angle exactly. So when we're using the method the method of the MATLAB, it try to make collective area from each point. So when we try to take the photo from each angle, so you want to try to correlate the key point in each part. And also for the exact, if this discover and dissolve the collaboration by the plotting the relative location camera in the collaboration. For this one, we have the aim about the task. For the aim, we want to investigate, analyze the photo technique about the concept for the vision, and also the task we need to proceed and how to do the procedure of the and get the aim of our assignment to try to solve it. So the method we are using MATLAB. So this one is starting how to install the laptop using the image and directly and go to the software. So install all the image exactly, and then we try to install it from inside and make sure all the image inside the Toolbox when we try to uninstall the Toolbox, and then directly we try to analyze it in the same time. And then we have to collaborate the photo, and then have when we collaborate the photo, we combine it in the same photo, and then we try to key in the code collaborate dash GYI, and then we try to proceed after next for the result. So after the result, we see how this the photo for the camera one position is show us which angle that we get from the photo. So let's say we're taking like 10 photo, so it shows us from the left side camera number one, upper side, camera number 2, number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 until 9. So there you show us the direction of the camera, the position of the camera, and then you show us the parameter, how precise it exactly in the same photo. See, you show us all the triangle in the same time. In the other photo about extract parameter, so this parameter it show us how the angle show us how distant or how many meter from the XYZ. It shows like as a 3D view. If I show from the level view or upper view, so one of let's say from number 1 until 5, it shows us how I take from the photo from 1 until 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. I just take it flip it wise from the left side and second side, this one from the second one. And then from the result before the undistortion image, and as we said, as this assignment, so we use our smartphone to snap the photo. So I take random 10 picture in different angle. So after we unsort it inside the software, so when we unsort it and make the unsort it with the image, and then we collaborate it the saved image inside it, this one before, and this one gave us the undistorted after the image. So what was this, how benefit about the Matlab give us the critical point. Let's see how the different from this side. See, it shows the torch from the both side, how was it before and after. So from this how see this is angle from photo number 1 until number 5 or 4 and 5 is the different. Is again the design it give it very precise. And then for show us how the photo is from 1 until 10 is all and the stored in the same time. So this one the coding how I will start how the calibration parameter from show us the focus, how is it, and the same time how was all the calculation in the same time how using the calculation to get the number and parameter of each image, 10 image for the photo there correctly. This one for the also we take random photo. So this I think photo number 3 or number 2, the symbol how show the symbol image from the different angle. So we using the second photo extract the parameter camera from each side, and then we take it as a default photo. Let's see that the camera the camera and the photo image have different angle. So it calculate each line and each parameter vertical and horizontal. And last they have the rejection error. So how all the rejection error you see getting from the left upper side. So all the green show us the photo number 9, and blue one show number 7 and 6, and all the currently error point. So this one the dashboard. So the one of the toolbox we're using it. So we use the save the image, and then we try to extract the camera, grabbing for the second time, and then we collaborate, and then we try to show the extra and show the analyzing for the error. The last part we show the undistort the image. As a conclusion, as we conclude, we just summarize many things. So for the conclusion, how to calibrate the camera inside Matlab. So it's like I just propose the MA for the camera, and then I guess how to get give the Matlab given us the technique to use very precise and the safer revolution. We use low-cost camera, for example, we use our smartphone to fulfill our task, and also we get the extract get a success, and then we get the undistorted image, and then we camera calibrate more easier than before.